Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install and activate Astra Pro for lifetime. So let's get started. First go to WordPress admin dashboard and then click on appearance, then themes. Now click on add theme. This is Astra free theme. To install and activate Astra Pro add-on, first we need to install this free theme. So click on install. Now click on activate. Astra theme install and activate done. Now go to plugin and then add plugin. Then click on upload plugin. And then choose file, select Astra Pro from here and then click on open and then click on install now and finally click on activate plugin. Look at here, Astra Pro installation and activate done. Now need to activate the license key, so click on activate link. Now we need to paste the license key here. Now I am going to the notepad file and copy the license key from here and then back to the dashboard and paste here. Then click on activate. Look at here, license is activate. If you need to install and activate Astra Pro license key for lifetime, please check the link from description box. Thank you very much for watching this video.